Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived two friends named Priya and Rahul. They were inseparable. They played together, studied together, and shared secrets. They were always there for each other no matter what. One day, a girl named Meera moved to the village. She was shy and didn't know anyone. Priya and Rahul noticed her and decided to befriend her. They invited her to play with them and helped her make new friends. Meera was so grateful for their kindness. She soon became as close to Priya and Rahul as they were to each other. The three of them had countless adventures together. They explored the nearby forests, built forts, and even started a secret club. One day, a big storm came to the village. The wind howled and the rain poured. Priya, Rahul, and Meera were scared. They huddled together in Priya's house, holding hands tightly. As the storm raged outside, they shared stories and laughed. They realized that their friendship was stronger than anything. They knew that no matter what happened, they would always be there for each other. When the storm finally passed, the three friends stepped outside. The sun was shining and the birds were singing. They looked at each other and smiled. They knew that their friendship would last a lifetime.